Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope everybody is fine. I hope you are maintaining your copies and completing your book and copy work. Today's video is from your grammar book. I will teach you how to change affirmative sentences into negative sentences. So, everybody open page number 13, lesson number 3, negative sentences. Before I start with negative sentences, let me revise what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which are arranged in a particular order to convey a complete sense and a clear meaning. A sentence can be divided into two types. Affirmative sentences, that is also called as positive sentences. Another one is negative sentences. Affirmative or positive sentences. It tells us that something happens or exists. Negative sentences, it tells us that something doesn't happen or exist. They have the word not in them to express a refusal or denial. Let's see some examples from the book. Affirmative sentences. She is a singer. Negative sentences. She is not a singer. They are good players. They are not good players. I am an expert driver. I am not an expert driver. He was present there. He was not present there. They were students. They were not students. Let me tell you some rules to change affirmative sentences into negative sentences. In a sentence, when there is a helping verb like is, am, are, was, were, may, can, shall, will, could, will change into negative sentences by adding not to the helping word like is not, am not, are not, was not, will not, could not. Means the helping verbs, when we add not to the helping verbs, it can change into negative sentences. Sentences containing has, have, had show possession. The negative sentence is formed with has, have, had plus no. Has no, have no, had no. No is another negative word which means not any. The negative sentence in present simple is formed with do or does not plus base form of the verb. The negative sentence in past simple tense is formed with did not plus base form of the verb. I'll show you another examples to make it clear for you. Let's see how to change affirmative sentences into negative sentences through examples. She is a singer. Helping verb is not. She is not a singer. I am a musician. I am not a musician. They are good citizens. They are not good citizens. He was my classmate. Was helping verb. He was not my classmate. They were present in the class. They were not present in the meeting. He has a sister. He has no sister. We have a farmhouse. We have no farmhouse. We can also say we do not have a farmhouse. They had a car. They had no car. Verbs in present tense. You write well. You do not write well. I eat an apple every day. I do not eat an apple every day. They talk to one another. They do not talk to one another. Basically, do is used with plural nouns. But we write do with you and I also. They are exceptional. She speaks politely. She does not speak politely. Now, does is used with singular noun or pronoun. The gardener waters the plants. The gardener does not water the plants. Now, let's see how to change affirmative sentences into negative sentences when the verbs are in the past tense. He came very late. He did not come very late. Means past tense did plus not plus the base form of the came verb. Now what is the base form of came verb? It is come. Mohit arrived very late. Mohit did not arrive very late. We went there. We did not go there. Now went, present tense, go. We ate fresh fruit. We did not eat fresh fruit. Hope I have cleared how to change affirmative sentences into negative sentences. Open page number 15. The following negative contractions are generally used in the English language. Now what do you mean by contraction? Contraction means shorter form of a word. Like am not, amn't. It's written like AMN apostrophe T. Is not, isn't. Has not, hasn't. Does not, doesn't. Will not, won't. Shall not, shan't. Cannot, can't. Must not, mustn't. As I have completed explaining the chapter, we will move to the book exercises in the next video.